So let's take a look at how we can find the base. We're going to be doing the exact, very similar idea here, only instead of looking for the percent, we are looking for the base. $50 is 2% of what number? $50 is means equals 2%. Remember, make this a decimal. Of what number? What being x? Ooh, we are zooming out and I don't know why. Pardon my crazy computer, I do not know why it's so crazy. All right, so let's take both sides. We divide it by 0.02. And we get x equal to, let's take a look. 50 divided by 0.02. 2,500 is our answer. And it's dollars. %5 of what number is 36? So 5% as a decimal, 0.05 of what number is 36? We'll divide both sides by 0.05. Let's see what we get x equal to. $720. All right, some real life wordy word problems. An 18% tip will be added to a dinner that costs $107.50. What is the amount of the tip? I'm not sure what this is. We can cross it out. So what is the amount of the tip? So amounts, our new amount, A, is going to be 18% of our base amount, $107.50. So let's go ahead and put that into our calculator. Our tip is going to be $19.35. University of Oregon's women's basketball team made 13 of the 29 three-point shots they attempted during the game against UNC. What percent of their three-point shots did the team make? So the amount is 13. We're looking for the percent, and the base, the original amount, was 29. That's how many that they made. That was their base. So x equals 13 over 29. So what is 13 divided by 29? That is a crazy number. However, we have to make it a percent, so let's multiply it by 100. And we get about 44.8%. %45 of the people surveyed answered yes to a poll question. If 180 people answered yes, how many people were surveyed altogether? So now we're looking for the base. We have the amount of people that said yes. We have the amount that is 45%. Remember to turn your percent into a decimal. Now we have to solve for x. We'll divide both sides by 40.45. 180 divided by 0.45. And we get 400 people total. Now, we are also going to be seeing problems where we're dealing with percent increase and percent decrease. So, to find a percent increase, subtract the two numbers and find the amount of the increase. Using the result, put that over the original number. Make sure you're using the original number. A lot of people forget and put the new number. It has to go over the base, not the amount, to find the unknown percent. The price of a candy bar increased from $0.89 or 89 cents to $1.39. By what percent did the price increase? So we're going to take the new, subtract the old, and put it over the old, the original. So let's see what we get. It's a 50 cents. That's a lot. 0.89. That's about so we have to multiply that by 100 to get our percentage. A 56.2% increase. That's a lot. Might have to cut candy bars out of my diet if that's the case. Population of Portland in 2010 was 583,793. Estimated population in 2019 was 654,741. Find the percent increase of the population. So we'll take new minus old, and divide it by old. And let's see what we get. 654, 741 minus 583, 793 equals, and divided by our old, 580, 793. And we get that times 100 to get our percentage, 12.15%. Similarly, we have percent decrease. We're going to take the two numbers, the new minus the old, divide it by the original number. We're still dividing by the original number, and you will notice that your percent is going to have a negative sign in front of it. And that's perfectly okay, because that is a price decrease. Decrease means subtract. Price of a candy bar was reduced from $1.39 to 89 cents. So we'll take $1.39 minus 89 cents over the original, which is $1.39. Now remember, the original here is $1.39. It's being reduced to 89 cents. That's going to make it different than the one we did previous. Times 100. And we get a 36% decrease. All right, let's look at our next one. The number of students enrolled in Clackamas Community College decreased from 7,439 in summer of 2019 to 4,791 in summer of 2020. Gee, I wonder why. Find the percent decrease in enrollment. So we take the original, 7,439 minus 4,781, and divide it by the original. Times 100, and we get 35.7% decrease.